Hi, this is Jason at RoofSnap.
And Katrina's here with you.
Thanks for joining us. If you watched any of our videos last week, you'll know we covered a bunch of tips and tricks and frequently asked questions on using an Android device. We did quite a few demos using a Samsung Galaxy S5, and it got us thinking, we also have a more robust version on iOS. So why not show our iOS users how to do RoofSnap on on an iPhone, specifically an iPhone 7 Plus. So as you can see, we've got the big one here, and we're going to answer a few questions this week, on the iPhone 7s Plus.
Sounds good.
What's our first question for the day?
Our first question is, how do I start a project using my iPhone?
Great. Well, right now we're in up and down mode. What's that called?
Portrait
mode. So you definitely want to turn your phone sideways and use RoofSnap in landscape mode. It's just a lot easier, and then you can really get your thumbs going on the different functionalities here. To start a new project, here's one right here called Start New Project. And this is not the only way, but if you're at the office or at home, you'll want to tap on Start New Project, select your office. We're going to use our demo office. And then go ahead and give it a project name. You can put in the customer name and then all of the address information. So as you fill out all that information, you want to include city, state, and zip to make sure you give Google, who does the placement of the pin for the address, the most information possible to get that pin location accurate. Now I'm going to actually go back and show you the other way. If you're on site, sitting in the driveway perhaps in your vehicle, you can just tap right on Project Map here on the left. Project Map is going to zoom right into your GPS coordinates. We're actually right there, but let's just say we were down here in this neighborhood. There we go. So if we're in the driveway of this house, we can just press and hold, and it drops a pin right on that house. And it pulls the address information for us automatically, so when we hit create, we're back to that same screen. Select our office, give it a name, and we'll see the address information has been populated already. So that can save us, a couple minutes of typing with our thumbs to fill in these fields.
Sure.
Then just tap on the Done button, and it takes you right into the project. So this is our test project, and because we have very specific address information, when we go and tap on RoofSnap, we're going to see that it loads in the neighborhood with the house that we've selected and puts a pin right on top of it. Great. So that's the answer to our first question. Please stay tuned, and we'll have more frequently asked questions for you shortly.